This is the salad I make for Thanksgiving every year because everyone always tells me how much they love it. I shared it with you guys last year and you guys also seem to love it, so I'm gonna show you how to make it. First, slice your sweet potatoes. I like to leave the skin on for more fiber and nutrients and toss with paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Shred your Brussels sprouts or buy it pre-shredded for ultimate convenience and toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Rinse and dry 2 cans of chickpeas before tossing in olive oil, chili powder, salt, and pepper. And while you roast these in the oven for around 30 minutes, make the dressing by combining extra virgin olive oil, Parmesan, tahini, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, salt, and pepper. Pour your dressing all over the kale and massage until it softens, and last but not least, assemble your salad by adding in the sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, sunflower seeds, avocado, and roasted chickpeas. And just a reminder, you do not need to eat salad on Thanksgiving. It's a day to enjoy the foods that make you feel connected to the people around you. But if you're craving something fresh and vibrant alongside all the cozy dishes, this is a wonderful option.